Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace a clamp on your trunk. A clamp is one of the easiest pieces that you can replace on your trunk. All you need to do is remove the two screws that are currently holding your clamp on. Go ahead and discard those along with your clamp. New clamp goes on in the same position as the old one. Use the two new screws that came with your clamp. Tighten that first screw about halfway. On the second one, you can completely tighten that one down. Come back to your first screw, finish tightening that one, and you're done.